In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable futures trading on your Robinhood account. Whether you're looking to expand your trading strategies or you're just curious about trading futures, I'll walk you through each step to make the process easy to follow. Let's get started. First, begin by logging in to your Robinhood account. You can do this either by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device or by going to their website on your computer. Make sure your login credentials are handy and that you're logging in to the correct account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can view your portfolio and keep track of your investments. Next, you'll need to access your account settings. To do this, look for your profile icon. On the app, it's usually in the bottom right corner, and on the website, you can typically find it in the top right area. Go ahead and click or tap on this icon. This will open up your account menu where you'll see a variety of options related to your profile and account management. Now from this menu, locate the section labeled Investing. Sometimes, depending on which version of Robinhood you're using, it might be called Account Settings or Trading Permissions. Go ahead and select this option. This is where Robinhood keeps all the settings related to what types of investments and trading you're allowed to do with your account. Once you're in the appropriate settings menu, scroll or look through the options until you find Futures Trading. This section is specifically for enabling the ability to trade futures contracts, which are a more advanced type of investment product. When you see the Futures Trading option, there should be a button or link labeled Enable Futures Trading. Click or tap on this to start the application process. At this point, Robinhood will prompt you to fill out an application. This step is important because futures trading involves higher risk and more complex strategies compared to regular stock investing. The application will ask about your investing and trading experience to make sure you understand the risks involved. Take your time to answer each question honestly and thoroughly. After you've completed this section, you'll need to read through and agree to a set of required disclosures. These disclosures outline the risks and responsibilities that come with futures trading. Make sure you read them carefully before agreeing. Once you've finished filling out the application and have accepted the necessary disclosures, your request to enable futures trading will be submitted. Robinhood will review your application, and once approved, you'll be able to start trading futures contracts directly through your account. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and happy trading.